Hello everyone, I am Zara and you are watching Zara Crochet Artwork. Today we will make basket wave stitch. Let's begin to start. First of all, we will make a slip knot. Then we will make chains of 8 multiples plus 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will skip 2 chains and in the third chain we will make a double crochet. Yarn over, pull to through, yarn over, pull to through. Then we will make half double crochet all across. When we will finish our row, then make 2 chains and turn the work. Now we will ignore the first stitch and in the second stitch we will make a double crochet front post. We will insert our hook underneath and then we will make 4 front post double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Front post double crochet, front post double crochet. Now we will make back post double crochet. Insert our hook underneath the back post and pull through 2 stitches, then pull through 2 stitches. Back post double crochet 4 times. Now front post double crochet 4 times. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Front post 4 times double crochet. Now back post double crochet 4 times. Insert your hook, back post, front post 4 times, and we will complete our row 4 back post and 4 front post all over the row. And in the end of the row we will make half double crochet. Now we will make 2 chains and turn over work, and we will make back post double crochet 4 times, back post double crochet 4 times, now front post 4 times, front post double crochet. Insert your hook underneath the front post and make double crochet 4 times. Now back post double crochet 4 times and complete this row back post 4 times and front post 4 times. Front post double crochet, and back post double crochet 4 times. In the end of the row, make a half double crochet in the very last stitch. Pull through all. Now make 2 chains and turn the work. Now we will do back post on the front post double crochet, back post on the front post double crochet 4 times, and front post we will do front post on the back post 4 times double crochet 4 times. Now back post on the front post double crochet 4 times, on the back post we will do front post double crochet 4 times. Now back post on the front post double crochet 4 times, and in the last stitch we will do a half double crochet. Pull through all stitches. Now 2 chains and turn the work. Again repeat the procedure on the front post, back post on 4 times double crochet, front post 4 times double crochet, back post double crochet 4 times. I hope you will learn from this video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and do like and thumbs up. For more videos, keep watching and give me comments. Goodbye.